I want to give you the last round of the torque using the torque wrench. It's 125 around, and I give you 125 already, and I want to use the 4. The first round is 40, 80, and then 125, and then the 4th round is 125, just to verify. Probably move a little bit. I marked each single one already. Let's try to do it. Start with the center one, and you can hear the click. So basically it moves 1/4. I mark it, so I got a reference to the ones I did already. Let's do the other one. There it is. So we mark it. So we come cross this way out, and then mark it. The other one here, mark it. This one here, mark it. Double line. So that way you don't miss. If you miss something like I did already, that way you can find out which one is. So I missed this one. This one, and the total are 20. Okay. 125 pounds. It's a 12.40 millimeters lip socket, because one of the studs don't go all the way in. So there it is. So we'll verify this too. There it is. Okay. See, I noticed I missed this too. And this one. So verify the ones in the back. We need the last one. There we go. There we go. Last one. There and there. And this too from the front. Basically the last one is to verify your force. Let me verify this one. You see, it's good because I don't see the mark, so I was missing this little tool. So there we go. So we had 20 in total. See, that's good because the one I missed for some reason, they are the center ones. There we go. So there. And let's check, make sure all they are marked double. I hope they still have somebody. You socket with the 12.14 millimeters, 1/2-inch drive, and have find a cheapest one because I don't have it. This one I got the 12 and 13. I think the 16, but this one is 14. I went to Tractor Supply and got this brand. It's very nice. Safe. I went to all different stores, local stores, and nobody have it. So the cheapest one, I buy the set with since probably the 13 to the 10 to 17 or 18 or 19, and for $45, 50 with taxes, but it's worth it. You do the job now. So the next step is I'm waiting for the owner to bring me the cover from the machine shop. They just send it like that. They don't send the housing from the thermostat and the coolant temperature sensor. So I want to start putting the exhaust gasket and turbo until they find me the rest of the parts. Hope somebody use these advices and this information. Thank you for watching Cummins Motor.